Now, I heard one thing you mentioned, say they reach a level of success.
You're right.
Now, to me, how is success measured?
Okay.
Now, that's something that I've always looked at.
A lot of them, Bree, they determine success by we're making more money than you are. We might got more land, bigger houses, and we're building wealth. And you all not doing it. And you been here. You all Black Americans been here for several years. Why y'all can't do it?
And
so go ahead.
So somebody that had that point of view.
Yep.
You feel me? That's just what it is. Because success, you can't measure another man's success. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean?
Yep.
If I grew up and I didn't eat every day, and when I become a father, my kids get to eat every day, that's success. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So everybody measure of success is not the same.
Yeah, success is measured different.
So for you to come somewhere and say, I made all this money, makes me, no, I can't, I don't respect that. That's not respectable to me.
Exactly.
Money is not,
And then bring us off a country that our ancestors built.
With that part too.
A lot of their countries are not doing that. And that's been the biggest argument. It's like, if you all countries are so better and you all are so better, why you all couldn't do it in your own country? Why you had to come over to America, a country where our ancestors built through slavery? Why did y'all have to come over here? That's been the whole conversation too.
I don't mind you coming over here and doing something.
Right.
But don't talk shit.
Don't talk. That's the problem. That's what I'm saying, Bree. I'm the same way.
Yeah.
That's
it's okay. Come and thrive.
Exactly. Yeah. Just don't talk shit about us.
And don't be like, oh, why you don't do it? What you mean why you don't do it? You don't know what I went through. And
exactly.
So measuring another man's success.
Exactly.
You can't. You know
exactly.
What I mean? Now, I just say that, but I did mention how how I view success.
Yep.
So that in itself, and then like I say, it's so many. I learned years ago. It's so many laws and things in place for immigrants to come and thrive.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Now it is.
Not now. They've been there. They've been there.
But it's bigger now, though, bro. Let's be real.
It's more known now. So let's say this, for instance, right? They had things in place where if you come from another country, they give you X amount of dollars to start a business.
I agree.
I agree. And then now here's the thing: them tax loopholes.
Yeah.
You come here, you run this business. We gave you the money to run this business. After 5 years or 7 years, you got to start paying taxes. Guess what you do? You bring your cousin from over there. Now he the owner of the business.
Yep.
Guess what y'all don't pay for another 7 years? That's them loopholes that they get. Guess who don't get that? Us. So you can't talk shit.
I agree.
You know what I mean?
I agree.
You can't say success.
Yep.
You gotta end.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Now, granted, hey, if you utilize it, I ain't mad at you for utilizing something that they give you, but don't talk shit.
About us.
That's it.
That's all.
Don't act like you did it all on your own.
Yep.
You feel me? Don't act like it wasn't no help.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Because whoever. You didn't get that visa by yourself.
Exactly.
You feel me?
Exactly.
You probably married some American so don't do that, man.
Exactly.
Because you don't want nobody looking at how your shit operate, how it operates. So just do what you do, live your life, man.
My brother Bri, man. My brother Bri, one of the most enlightening. I don't like to do this episode with many people, especially, but I tell you, my brother Bri, I do it with him because he understands. And he's saying the real stuff. And I agree with him. Everything that he's saying right now, especially when it even comes to the FBA situation right now, the delineation. And I'm going to tell you, a lot of Africans don't like delineation right now. Some Caribbeans, they don't like it, right? Some Afro Latinos or those that's even over in the UK, they don't love it right now. They don't like the delineation. They feel we are creating division. But it's primarily because we saw that over time, and I'm just going to say this, and I love many Africans. I do.
Not all.
Not all, but I love many. we just started to see that they wasn't embracing us the same way we embraced them. That's the whole thing. Oh, they get an accomplishment. The first Nigerian, the first Ethiopian that did, etc.
Yeah.
And we like, damn, where's the first black Ethiopian, the first black Nigerian? We not hearing that. It's like it's a delineation. So that's what we started to create as well. And that's just really where we at. It's not a hate anything. Like I said, I still love our African brothers and sisters, you know, but
This is what it is.
certain people, it's just certain people. It's a percentage. It's not everybody.
I love you if you love me.
Right, exactly.
That's it.
That's
You
how
talk
we
shit
look at
about me, I don't rock with you.
it. There you go.
We just leave it there.
There it is. We'll leave it there. We love those who love us. So that's that. But Bri, you FBA, Bri. You are FBA, Bri. I'm FBA. We FBA. We descendants of slaves in America.
So when the reparation checks start probably getting cut.
It comes to FBA. Yeah, descendants of slaves here in America.
Okay.
Yeah, that's just what it is. That's why we had to kind of create that. Yeah. Hello, this is G Bass. Rise of the 1%. Rise Media. We on this Saturday evening about to get ready to knock out some podcast episodes with some individuals here in the city of Atlanta making some big moves. You can see here, look, this is how it goes down. Here when our guests come and sit down with myself, G Bass, other Rise of 1% of Rise Media, to have that conversation, to share the story, share the journey, share what you got going on. So listen, everybody got a story, everybody got a journey, and then you got some things going on, then you definitely can get with us and see if it'll be a fit to be on the Rise of 1% podcast and actually have that discussion with myself. It's going to be a link to a form for you to fill out. You said www.theriseofthe1%.com/pod form. Again, www.theriseofthe1%.com/pod form. It's going to be in this video. You can fill that out. And we can see if it'll be a fit for you to come on and have that conversation with myself. If you don't fill out the form, then obviously it's not for you, and that's fine. We're looking for those that's serious. Those that's serious about rising to the top 1% are already in the 1%. That's what we're looking to sit down with myself right here. As you can see, Rise Media, Rise of the 1%. This is how we get down. And we have a great time and have a lot of fun doing it. So once again, if you're serious, make sure you fill out the form. We'll look over the form, see if it's a fit. If it's a fit, we'll reach out. If not, we won't reach out. We'll just continue to move forward. But with that said, this is G Bass. See you soon.